To subscribe to Ripl, start by typing Ripl into your web browser's search bar, which will take you to the Ripl.com website. On this site, you'll see various features, including pricing, a blog, and buttons to log in or sign up. To begin, click the Sign Up button, which will open in a new tab. From there, enter your email and password information, and then click Next. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information, as the free trial will automatically convert to a subscription once it ends. It's essential to review the subscription terms, which state that the subscription will automatically renew unless turned off at least 24 hours before the end of the current period. You can manage your subscription and turn off auto-renewal by going to your account settings after purchase. Be sure to read the privacy policy and terms of use to avoid any unexpected charges on your card. You can start creating your account without adding a credit card, if preferred.